The authorities say they will move to urgently remove the light poles in the middle of the streets in Bowden, St. Thomas. The promise was made to residents and motorists by the Jamaica Public Service Company, which is jointly responsible along with China Harbour Engineering Company and the National Works Agency. Prince Moore has this primetime news follow-up.
When night turns to day along the Bowden Main Road in St. Thomas, the light posts turned obstacles are easier for motorists to see. But daylight also helps to magnify the problem, and it turns out there have been more crashes than publicly reported. The oil marks are signs of the last crash on Sunday, but residents claim there have been at least a handful of crashes due to the utility poles over the last 3 months.
Yesterday when the vehicle meet into the accident, collided with the utility pole around the corner, it bring back memories for me because I lost my son's father in the same manner earlier this year on Lycée Road because of the same thing, poor workmanship. And you see that they say is a reflector. When night come, round here it's pitch dark. And you don't see that until you're very close to it. So that is not reflecting anything. It is a hazard.
But whose job is it to remove these utility poles from the middle of the street? Fingers are being pointed at the JPS, the National Works Agency NWA, and the China Harbour Engineering Company check.
The workmen who work on the road could do otherwise. Still, than pave the road because the road was in a deplorable condition. And we would survive the holiday season with it like that because we get a lot of rainfall. Almost every day we get rainfall. So now, they come and they do that. They're waiting on JPS to move the utility poles. And from October until now, JPS have not removed them.
The JPS in response says the matter is only partly their responsibility. Along with the NWA and the check, the road widening project in St. Thomas is a coordinated effort involving the 3 entities, and they say they are working together to urgently remove the utility poles. While the stakeholders wait on that fix, this appeal.
Appealing to the motorists to be caution, especially when you travel these areas, because of this pole that is in the road can cause accident because there's already one here. Also, I know that there's just a few little reflectors, but put some more sign warning, especially when you are in the construction zone. We need something to warn motorists that this is a construction zone, so to drive careful. And also, some lighting would be good, because as you might observe, it's mostly bushes around this area, and at night it's very dark. So this also need to address.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.